Welcome. Join me on a heartwarming food journey, chicken stew, that will warm your heart and satisfy your soul. Join me as I take you through the simple steps of creating this flavorful dish. So let's get started. Okay, I have 8 chicken wings that I split in 2. Also have some chicken necks. This is my husband. He loves chicken necks. So when I make stew or roast chicken, I always put some chicken necks in there for him. This chicken has now been soaked, washed, and dried, and ready for seasoning. Okay, I'm going to season the chicken. I have here a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of complete, half a teaspoon of the powders, garlic and onion powder, and a half a package of Sazon. I'm going to mix this seasoned mixture up and season the chicken. Chicken is now seasoned and ready for the next step. 4 garlic cloves, and I added some water to the minced garlic, and then I'm just going to season the chicken with this minced garlic mixture. It's all seasoned up. Okay, I added 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to let this get hot. Let the oil get hot. When oil is hot, then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now you have this on low because you don't want to burn the sugar. This sugar mixture here with the oil. Brown that. And like I said, you don't want it to brown. It takes like a minute. So this is about ready. Now, to this oil and brown sugar, I'm going to begin to brown the chicken. Right in here. This is going to give it a nice coating, nice color. Right to this mixture here. I'm going to brown that. Okay, we got all the chicken inside here, and now I'm just going to let it brown. See that nice color? I'm going to let that brown on this side. Then we're going to flip it over and let it brown on the other side. And in the meantime, I'm making some chicken broth. I boiled at 2 cups of boiling water and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon to make the chicken broth that we're going to use in a little while. I have this on a low heat. I added 3 cups of chicken broth that I made. Okay, to this mixture, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of the homemade Sofrito. You can see my my recipe for Sofrito. And I'm going to add 3 bay leaves, 1 package of Sazon to this mixture. We have this on a medium heat. Add 1/2 of onion chopped, green pepper, and 1/2 of red pepper. Add that. And I'm going to add some potatoes and carrots. Add it all right in. Add everything. Right in right now. Tomato sauce. This is an 8-ounce can. Maybe not all of it. 3/4 of this can. I'm going to mix that. Bring this to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, it's boiling now, then I'm going to cut it down to a low medium. And we're going to cover it and then check on it in 15 minutes to make sure that we have enough liquid. Okay, the 15 minutes are up and we have plenty of liquid. There's plenty of liquid in here. I probably should have even maybe used a little less, but it'll cook up. And now we want to do the taste test. So taste your chicken stew and see if it needs any more seasoning there. I added some more salt, and I also added some chicken better than bouillon a little bit. And yeah, so do that taste test. Put your top back on. Continue cooking it on a medium, on a it's a simmer, and let's cook it for another half hour. So see you then. I did cook this another 5 to 10 minutes, so actually is a total of 1 hour on a simmer. Chicken stew is now ready. Enjoy. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this chicken stew recipe. Please press that subscribe and notification bell. And please stay tuned for more delicious recipes. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed day. And thank you so much for watching my video.